Hello, I am Ayush Singh from couplecoderss. In this video, we will talk about top 5 reasons to become data scientist in 2022. Being a professional data scientist and machine learning engineer myself, I will tell you why you should become one too. We will talk about what is data science and how to become one in later videos. For now, let's just stick to why you should become data scientist. Top reason number 1. Learning variety of skills. To become proficient in data science and become friends with data, one needs to learn variety of skills. Most common skills asked by major companies are Python or R. You don't need to learn both Python and R. As a beginner, it's crucial to stick to one language. Other major skills are SQL. People often ignore this skill, but this is most used skill after programming a language. SQL is used to make queries in databases if you don't know. Statistics. Statistics is backbone of data science. Everything is stats in this field. Therefore, statistics is a must-have skill. Top reason number 2. Huge impact. From outside, it may seem like it's counterproductive to spend money on creating stuff and watching it on analysis and prediction. But that's not the truth. A data science project can save millions of dollars for a company, increase the productivity, and can save the planet. By analyzing pattern of production and sales, wastage can be reduced, which is good for both company and planet. Top reason number 3. Growing demand. Data from various job portals and companies shows that in past decade, demand for quality data scientists has increased exponentially. There are plethora of jobs available for data scientists, but it's hard to find people with correct skill sets. So if you have the correct skill sets or you are willing to learn, this is a very lucrative field to be in. Top reason number 4. High base salary. As said in previous point, it's hard to find people with correct skill set. This naturally makes data science job with high base salaries. One thing more, as you grow to mid-senior level, your salary will increase exponentially. Pretty sure most of you are convinced already. Top reason number 5. Diverse career growth options. Let's say after some time you are bored with data science. No worries, you can branch out to other fields without much re-education. I personally branched out to machine learning as it was more exciting for me. Other fields to branch out are business role, management role, or specialized such as medical, agriculture, or whatever your heart desires. The end! In next video, we will talk about how to become data scientist in 2022. Till then, see ya!